PowerVision PowerRay Wizard, easily the top all-around underwater drone on the 2025 market right now. This comprehensive kit includes the drone and essential accessories perfect for capturing both underwater and aerial adventures. With 4K video recording and 12 megapixel photos, your water escapades will be documented in stunning detail. The drone features a CMOS sensor for single shots, burst mode at 5 FPS, and that slow motion footage at 2K or 4K resolution. Operating the PowerRay Wizard is a breeze with the included controller and Vision Plus app for a truly immersive experience paired with VR goggles. The drone's 6 LED lights provide excellent illumination in dim underwater environments, enhancing your exploration. One of the standout features of this model is its angler-friendly tools. The bait drop line allows you to attach and maneuver bait with precision using the app, offering a unique fishing method. The drone's quiet operation ensures fish remain undisturbed. Another innovative feature is the Power Seeker. This thing delivers valuable insights including fish detection, water temperature, and underwater terrain mapping. This information is seamlessly delivered to the Vision Plus app, keeping you informed about the underwater world in real time. The PowerRay Wizard's versatile speed settings let you dive at various paces, achieving up to 4 hours on lower speeds. Whether you're diving, fishing, or just eager to explore, the PowerRay Wizard is your go-to device. Its blend of high-tech features and intuitive design makes it an ideal choice for adventurers seeking a comprehensive underwater experience. Dive into a world of discovery with this exceptional underwater drone. Considering the price tag, we're very impressed here.